See, we start doing your theme music for you. Dun, 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 dun. Get up, get on up, get up, get on up, get on. Exactly. There you go. Good, good. Oh, make sure all the stuff is adjusted. There you go.
That's right. Wait a minute.
Good, good.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1.
There we go. Good.
2. 3.
Yeah, remember, use your environment just like we always talk about. There's always a solution to the problem. There you go.
Right. 6, 7. It's okay.
You got it. You
8,
got it.
9, 10, 11. When I first started coming here, I didn't know these could hold me. 12.
Yeah, remember I was like, I got something that hold down there. Yeah, you were like, this stuff is it? Like, yeah, no, this will hold everybody.
1. That's it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can get past it. It's okay. I can get past it. 7.
Yep. Use the wall on it though.
Okay.
There you go.
8. That's a cool seesaw. 9.
Yeah, the kids were bopping
10.
along on that last night.
That's okay. I can do it. 11. 12. That's cool. 13. 5.
There you go. Good, good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There you go. Good, good.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
See, you're doing good on them steps.
12,
there you go.
13.5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There you go. Good. Come on.
5, 6.
Yep. You go.
7.
Finish it up all the way.
8. 9. 10.
There
11.
we go. Good. Nice, nice,
I
nice.
saved those steps.
You got those last ones. Good, good.
Awesome.
Excellent,
Oh,
excellent. There you go. There you
That's
go.
awesome. That's awesome.
Good work. Good work.
That's awesome. See, you get 13.5 steps to get to each side. I saved those steps.
You got those last ones. There you go. Good.
So,
Awesome
see,
sauce.
Guess what my doctor said? He said, I said, my goal is to walk independently by July. He said, you can do that.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Most
And
definitely.
my knee doctor, he said, the fact that I left that wheelchair in the lobby and walked all the way to the scale, then walked to the room, he was like, that's good. He was like, in 6 months, it's going to be a problem. I was like, okay.
Yep.
Okay. Yep. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. So, that's good. I have my Greek yogurt and blueberries. I found out I can make a Greek yogurt and 1 egg and make it like a pizza crust and then bake it for 10 minutes and then add the pizza ingredients. And with cottage cheese and an egg.
Okay.
So I'm going to do that in the next little bit.
Okay.
So, and then just put your vegetables on there.
There you go. There we go.
Yeah, so that's good. Okay. Okay, you got, hold on just a second, Coach. We got to wait till it gets to 9, then turn the music on. Please. And then, when it gets to 9 minutes.
9 minutes? Okay. No problem. All right. So,
And then
we're going to
get the music on. Because you can roll music at 60-second beats. Then this will be like long form content, no beats. That's good. Yeah.
And then turn it side to side.
Oh, that's good.
And then head circles.
I've been seeing the kids, they be doing it.
And head circles the other way.
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right. And then arms are out. Small circles going forward.
5, 6.
Good. And then small circles going back.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. All right. Big circles going forward. And then big circles going back. All right. Now we're going to pick one side, just look all the way back behind us as far as we go. Good. And the other side, switch over. And then the other side, switch. And then the other side, switch.
So maybe this year I can do the 50 plus recreational. They have like an Olympics with the park and recs. Maybe I can do it this year. And if I can't, I can do the registration. Because that's what I want to do, start working registration of the different walks. So I'm up and in the elephants registering people and looking so I can visualize what I can do.
Proximity.
Exactly.
Proximity.
Exactly.
Going around the other way.
So that's a visual, multiple learning. People learn different ways.
All right, and then wobbly man. Loosen up that arm, loosen up those legs, loosen up that whole entire body.
Oh yes.
Snap, crackle, and pop.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But you know, when I first started, my knees used to crack. They don't even crack when I get up no more. Other things crack.
Man, I remember when me and you first started training, it was literally just working your hands, and we just had you just doing the hand drill and stuff on there, and it was like just, and then have you just like have that PVC pipe and just picking that PVC pipe up and down. So I remember all of that when we first started training with you. All right, okay. And let's get the knees going, loosen up those knees a little bit.
Yeah. And they had this like a sock thing at the doctor's office. I said, can I have one of those? He said, let me check into it. I'm like, good.
Oh yeah, it helps out with circulation because it lines up, basically pushes all the up in there. All right, and then working on that ankle.
Yep.
And then reverse it, same ankle, same foot going the other way. Awesome, and switch.
Yeah. So this season, the goal is anxiety, and it's a good goal.
And then to the other side.
I do a meditation.
All right.
If I have a thought that's not positive, you tag that thought and then you say that's ridiculous and you fix it in your mind.
Going backwards.
Isn't that amazing?
Going forward, you know I'm all about the brain stuff.
I know.
And going backwards.
And I'm so excited.
Keep going.
Because everything that hurts you, you can reverse it with your brain.
That is true. Going the other way.
But you gotta move, chew, eat, think, breathe, and drink water. You gotta do those things. Even though I didn't eat my dinner last night because I really didn't want it. I had baby celery with hummus, and I had the fish and the green beans. So I just ate the baby carrots with hummus. I didn't feel like eating the rest, so I'm gonna eat that for lunch.
Okay.
Sometimes I just eat like a salad. You had the salad at lunch, I had the salad at dinner. I just don't feel like eating much else. But I have the food ready to eat, but I don't feel like eating it.
Right. So yeah. So I do understand that. I've had several of my folks that sometimes it's just not happening that particular day. So I got you.
Yeah.
I'm picking up what you're putting down.
But I got tickled because I actually can eat a baked sweet potato. I like making it as sweet potato fries, but I can eat a baked sweet potato and put it in the oven to reheat. And it tastes so good when it's hot. It tastes like it already has flavor in it. It's so good. So.
Awesome sauce. Right. Threes.
And I have the pleasure of writing out this lady's book. She wrote it out, but I'm writing it out in proper book format.
Oh,
And she's like 70 years old, and the things I've been telling you that happened to me, happened to her, but in different ways. And I am just honored to help her publish this book.
Nice.
It's just like if I met someone who was just starting their weight loss journey, I'm honored that you shared your weight loss journey with me. And it is just, life is just something else. It is something else. It is something else. So.
Okie dokie. Okay, so we are going to start out working on our chest this morning. We're going to be doing some chest presses.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is we'll start out.
Okay. If it's more than 9, we can turn it off and turn the music on. Yeah. I'm going to turn it off and reset it.
Yeah, it's at 10 right now.
Okay, great.